administration in the Philippines appears to be, I would say, very much aligned with Western foreign policies in terms of military buildup in the region. And the Marcos administration is certainly appears to be very, I would say, willing to comply with the requests. So, how does China, which is a great power state in the region, just like the United States is in the Western Hemisphere, how does China view a militarized Philippines?
The way I see China right now is it is becoming anxious. It's really anxious to the point that it also I can sense that the China also, because it's anxious, it also becomes very aggressive in trying to, to send a message to the Philippines saying that, we don't want to start anything. We don't want to have an escalation of our not so good relationship, an escalation of the volatility of the South China Sea, because South China Sea is one of the flashpoints in terms of possible military conflict between China and the Philippines, and also in the Taiwan Strait. The Taiwan Strait is supposed to be not our concern, but you have EDCA, you have the US EDCA military bases. Some of them are facing Taiwan. And one thing that you have to remember, Lena, our armed forces of the Philippines chief, the head of the armed forces of the Philippines, just recently um made statement and pronouncement related to the Taiwan Strait issue, saying that the Philippines should be ready if in any case there will be a Taiwan invasion, and we will be dragged into it, and we will try to. It seems like he was talking about something like, I said, why? And in my mind, it's like, why is the chief of staff of the armed forces of the Philippines is even mentioning Taiwan's invasion in the very first place? Taiwan is not our concern. It's not our issue. It's a domestic affair. It's a domestic issue of China. So China reacted, and China was giving some kind of warning to the Philippines, saying that Taiwan is a domestic affair issue of China, and no one should interfere in it, which I agree, because that is not our concern. But in a way, the Philippines is located in that situation that it can be dragged really also in any kind of escalation in the Taiwan Strait, maybe perpetuated by external forces, external powers, is precisely because we have the EDCA, which is the US military bases, and some of them are really facing Taiwan.